Cash Advance apps do not approve every request because each platform checks user information and eligibility before allowing access to its service. By the end, you'll know what affects Cash Advance app approval, what steps to take before applying, and how to avoid wasting time on apps that do not match your situation. The first step is checking eligibility requirements before signing up. Every Cash Advance app has its own rules, and an application can be declined if you do not meet those requirements. Review the app's listed conditions first and only apply when you understand what information the platform needs. The second step is preparing your account information. Cash Advance apps may need details related to your identity, income, or financial activity to review your request. Make sure your information is accurate and complete before starting the application. The third step is completing verification properly. Many apps use verification steps to confirm the information provided during sign-up. Follow each instruction carefully, and check that your connected information is current. Another reason applications may not move forward is choosing an app that does not fit your situation. Different services have different requirements, so one app rejecting a request does not mean every option will have the same result. Compare requirements before applying to multiple services. If an app declines your request, review any explanation it provides. The reason can show whether the issue was missing information, eligibility, or another requirement. Use that information before trying again with another platform. A smoother approval process starts before the application is submitted. Reading the rules, preparing your details, and understanding the verification process can reduce unnecessary delays. Avoid rushing through sign-up because small mistakes in your information can affect the review process. The Cash Advance apps that are easier to understand are usually the ones that clearly explain their requirements and show users what steps they need to complete. The goal is not to apply everywhere. The goal is to find apps where the requirements match your situation. To summarize, check eligibility rules, provide accurate information, and complete verification carefully. Your next step is to compare Cash Advance apps before applying instead of submitting requests blindly. If this guide helped you understand approval better, like the video and subscribe for more practical app guides.